Hey guys, in today's video we'll be installing this AmFilm screen protector on my Pixel 8 Pro. This is a tempered glass screen protector. So I haven't actually installed a screen protector on any of my phones in a really long time. So this is going to be a good test to see how easy it is. So we'll open up the box, see what we get inside, and then we will install it onto my phone and see how we go. All right. Okay, so let's open up the box and we will see what we get inside. So we can see down here, this one's for the Pixel 8 Pro. It's a 3-in-1 pack. So I think you're meant to get 3 screen protectors and 1 camera lens protector, but we'll find out. So this is our camera lens protector. This is the installation accessories. We have an installation guide, and we have 1, 2, then we get 3 screen protectors, and then this is the bracket that we put on the phone. So let's see what we get in here. Okay, so there's like a little wiping cloth. So we have step 1, wet wipe. Step 2 is a dry wipe. And we have 3 of them, 1 for each screen protector. And then we have a bunch of dust removal stickers. Okay, so first of all, I guess we need to wipe down our screen. I don't know if you can see, but there's all little bits of dust on it and stuff. So let's wipe that down. We'll do step 1, which is the wet wipe. I'm just gonna rest my phone on this so it doesn't slide around when I wipe it. Okay, and then we'll do the dry wipe. And then we'll get the dust removal sticker. Now let's put this on. So that's cool, it sort of like really clicks in nicely. All right, so now we will get the screen protector. And then I guess we just need to place this on here. Okay, so once we've placed it on, we need to rub our finger. I can see 1 piece of dust on there. Oh no. Okay, so then it says we need to remove this. And then we need to squeeze out any bubbles. There's not really any bubbles. Okay, I think we're looking pretty good apart from that 1 piece of dust in the corner here. It's on pretty good. Okay, so now we will do the camera protector. It's really annoying that this is in black and it's not clear, because it's gonna black out all of this so you can't see that anymore, which is really annoying. But yeah, let's test it out. We can always take it off if we don't like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the same wipes. Okay, so that is on. Okay, so you can see that's on now. There's no bubbles, that one was pretty easy. I'll test out the camera and let you know if there's any issues with it on. And then we have the screen protector. Looks pretty good. Okay, so we'll put on my case and we'll just make sure that it doesn't peel up any of the corners on the screen protector. I don't think it will, because you can see there is a slight gap in between. So. Okay, so it looks good. And that one on the back looks good. All right, let's turn the phone back on and we'll test how the screen works to make sure the sensitivity on the touch screen is still good. So yeah, still feels good, and we'll check out the fingerprint. And that works good as well. Okay, so I also just tested the camera out and that works perfectly fine with the protector on there, so that is really good. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the screen protector. That was really easy to do. And yeah, the main thing is just you want to spend a bit of time trying to get all of the dust off of the screen so you don't get those little marks, but it's really good that it fits on nicely. It doesn't peel up when I put the case on, so that's really good. And there's a little cutout where the camera is. And yeah, so this is what the camera protector looks like. Yeah, it would be better if it was clear, but I guess it's not a big deal as long as it's protecting your camera. Pretty happy with that. We'll see how it goes over the next few days. If anything changes or it starts to peel up or anything silly like that, I'll leave that in the comments below to let you know. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you're interested in getting this screen protector, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.